Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the PURA Hair Thinning Therapy Shampoo for prevention, infused with argan oil, biotin natural ingredients, sulfate-free, all hair types, men and women, 16 fluid ounces, packaging may vary. It's not a miracle, you're not going to grow a full head of hair overnight. And yes, it can leave your hair feeling very clean, and a little tacky, but only if you do not condition your hair afterwards. The biggest offender found in this shampoo, which is of moderate hazard level, is cocamidopropylbutadiene. Considering that most sulfate-free shampoos contain this chemical, rest assured that this is a shampoo containing the lesser evil. That said, no need to follow up with another shampoo to make it smell better, and at a good price. Bottom line, this probably won't make a huge difference in your hair loss, but it probably does slow down the process if you are losing hair from harsh ingredients in other shampoos, or if you have excess DHT in your scalp. This shampoo leaves your hair feeling almost brittle right after a rinse. Definitely follow through with a good conditioner. From brittle, over-processed, and stress loss back to a healthy, stronger shaft, and more equalized scalp. It dries out the hair after shower, and it works well with a good conditioner. It also is made of pretty mild materials, so it doesn't irritate, and it's better for your hair than stuff you get off the shelf at retail stores. And perhaps it had nothing to do with this shampoo, but it is possible that PURA helped some. But one thing that should be remembered is that this should be paired with a conditioner. Also, follow the directions of keeping the shampoo for 2 minutes before washing the hair. But it's a good quality product with many things in it proven to help stop hair loss and promote hair growth. BTW, the shampoo works best when you lather it well in your hand first before applying to your head. It leaves hair a little dry, so can be complemented with a PURA conditioner if you chose. It smells kind of weird, but not to worry, it doesn't stay on once you wash off. The bottle looked the same, it smelled the same, but it was very thick and gooey. In comparison with other brands, this product may seem expensive, but to be honest, it is worth every penny. Everyone's hair and scalp is different, and what works for one might not for others. She recently tried another product, and decided to stick with this one after only 2 days. The scent is very light, and smells very good even though it fades quickly through the day. Overall, the shampoo is great for the price, smells good, and for the price is more than amazing. Hair didn't stop falling completely, but it is much better, and new hair is growing. First thing you notice is a much fuller look as the chemicals and weight of former hair products are removed. There are so many natural ingredients that are known to help with scalp health and hair regrowth. Comparing with the ingredients of other brands aimed at hair growth and scalp health, this is by far the best. Also does not lather at all, so you waste so much trying to get it through your hair. Pro tip: do not leave it on your hair for a prolonged period of time. Didn't seem to have any effect that would help with hair fallout, but would probably work amazing if you like your hair to be matted. At first, the instructions sound like a burden, but it quickly becomes part of your routine. This shampoo lives up to its superior standards, and has definitely reduced any more hair loss for me. It's much healthier, a lot less breakage, and it appears to be growing in thicker. Item makes hair feel soft, smells great, and doesn't dry it out like other hair loss products. All it was for me was shampoo and conditioner, and for that it's way too expensive. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.